Let's shift gears and talk about something that I am personally very passionate about. And this is a crucial yet often overlooked element of data quality, the human element. Because let's be honest, no one loves filling out surveys and they can often feel like a chore. But here's the thing, if people actually enjoy taking your survey, they're more likely to give you thoughtful, accurate answers. And that leads to better, more reliable data. So, how do we make our surveys feel less like a chore and more like a conversation? It all comes down to a few key design principles. First, we must respect people's time. A survey that feels like it's never going to end is a recipe for bad data. People get tired, lose focus, and start clicking through just to finish. We should always aim for our surveys to be 10 minutes or less. And within that time limit, we should give people a sense of progress. Interject throughout the survey to let them know what the next section will cover and how close they are to finishing. That little bit of encouragement goes a long way. Second, we have to design with a mobile first mindset. The reality is most people are taking surveys on their phones. If your survey isn't optimized for a small screen, you're not just creating a bad user experience, you're risking your data quality. Questions that require a lot of scrolling or small buttons can lead to respondents missing options or making mistakes, which directly impacts the quality of your data. And finally, we should always be looking for ways to add an element of gamification. Use different question types that go beyond the standard single select or multiple select. Things like sliders or even advanced methods make the survey feel less like a test and more like an interactive experience. You can also add visuals or short videos to break up the text. By optimizing your surveys for the people taking them, you'll get higher completion rates, reduce bias from fatigue, and ultimately gather more accurate and reliable data. It's a simple equation. Happy respondents equal better insights. So put on your UX designer hat when you're writing these surveys and make your surveys fun.